그리고 우리 탄이 데뷔했어요.
Oh, Taehyung talking about Tiny debut. Okay. Oh, look at him. Oh, yo. He
우리
is.
탄이 데뷔했어요.
Look at him. Why Taehyung? Why you do that? It's so hot. You know what I'm saying? Look at his smile. By the way, guys, Yeontan wasn't in Spain with Taehyung, so everyone thought Yeontan, it was Yeontan in the MV, but you know, Taehyung explained it was not Yeontan. It was similar kind of same breed dog, just like Yeontan. So yeah. But yeah, it's whatever. Yeontan debuted.
우리 탄이 데뷔해가지고
The way he's saying Tenny debut, oh, it sounds so amazing.
아주 좋아. 아주 기뻐요.
Proud dad. Look at him. You can see it in his eyes.
아주 기뻐요.
Yeah. He is such a charming guy. Just look at him, guys. It's just a clip, guys, and I'm going crazy over it.